If you want to go with something like theme based, you can create that. Click on stories here. So this is the made up story which I want to create. I click on the generate stories, click on the duration 60 seconds, and there you go. That's great. Click on the create video. It will redirect you to the create video section. I want a moving AI images. Pick your image generation model. You can go ahead and add more sound. You can add your own sound as well. And for the captions part, I like this. Click on generate. Okay, so our shot is ready. Let's go ahead and click on this. Let's play.
Little Tommy became the neighborhood's youngest detective when his gecko Leo disappeared on Tuesday morning.
If you are on TikTok and want to get viral and you want to search for the inspiration that people are actually uploading and working, it will search all the reels that has been viral on TikTok for this particular keyword. You can click on any video and there will be a script as well, which you can also rewrite and generate using this. So first thing you need to do is go to the link in the description box and sign up for the free account. For the free account, you have around 300 credits for free, which you can use to create 10 videos to test this particular software out. And you have a dashboard like this. This will be your latest video. So let me give you an overview how you can browse through the different section of this tool. So first is this is the dashboard, and this is the home section where you have all the tutorials which you want to see and see what you can generate from it. And there is a queue section. So it is a queue section is if you have set up a auto mode. Auto mode has auto publish to your social media channels depending on the criteria you have chosen. For example, if you have chosen to generate ghost stories or any fact checking stories, you can generate on auto mode. So we will do that in a bit. So this will be your posting queue. Okay, so these are the videos which you have already generated, which you have done in the previous, and there's the exports. So exports are those which you have already done. For example, if you have finalized the video and then you exported the video, you will have this. So the difference is the videos you have generated is not able to export. So export has the compression method enabled, so these does not have the export available. So if you have already exported a video, you need to go to the exports and download it again. So there is the auto mode. So auto mode is the workers you need to set up. For example, if you want to create a theme on ghost stories, or if you want to create a theme on, for example, mystical theories or mystical scripts or stories, then you can go ahead and create a worker and it will automatically generate the video for you in the time you have chosen and post it as well. So it's actually a very powerful software, as you can see here. So there's the AI character. So I don't need to say anything about it because if you are into AI, you know about the AI characters. So this particular tool will create a AI character based on your text output, and you will have something like this. For example, this is do one of it, and this is the second, and you can go ahead and browse as well. So these are the public avatars that are available that you can use to create a videos. Okay, so this is inspiration. So this is actually my favorite tool. So this is inspiration is if you are into TikTok and want to get viral and you want to search for the inspiration that people are actually uploading and working, so you can copy that script, copy that trend, copy that format, and you can easily do that with the help of this. For example, if you are on TikTok and you want to search for best AI tools, okay, it will search all the reels that has been viral on TikTok for this particular keyword, and as you can see here, you can click on any video and there will be a script as well, which you can also rewrite and generate using this. We will go down deeper how to use this in upcoming minutes. And there is story section which you can generate. For example, I've already generated this in other languages just to test this particular tool out. And there's the fun facts, there's educational, there is a how-tos. You can go hard on this and generate anything. If you are into the pro plans, then this will work flawlessly, and number of generation you can generate. This won't cost any time. Okay, and there's the hooks. So web hooks is so generating hooks. So for example, if you want to generate a hook for your video, intro hook is everything, as you can see, to retain the videos, to retain the users as well. So these are the past hooks which I've already created. You can also paste your script. For example, let's paste this particular script and click on generate. It will generate hook that you want to save first, and then it will gain the attention of the users and you can start creating content afterwards. So this is it. So now next is your settings, where you can see everything about what you have generated and what you are going to do as well. So let's get started and start creating it with videos. In this video, we are going to create a short. So if you click on this create new videos, it has all the panel that you need, and this is short video generator. So here you can easily generate a video using your text input. So there's also many use cases, as you can see here, but we will do that one by one with the use cases. So first will be the short video generator. So in this video, you can generate based on your text input. Okay, this is the AI TikTok video generator, or you can call it as a short video generator for the reels as well, for the YouTube as well, and you can repurpose this content anywhere you want. Okay, so first is your video script. So to get viral, let me tell you, to get viral, we have already have done in the past. To get viral, we always do with the what's trending in your area or in your target country. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and click on trends.google.com, and you will find all the trending data that people are actually watching right now. So first you need to do is click trend now and select your target country. For example, if you want to select the target of United States, you can select that, and there's all categories. So if you have a certain category, for example, let me give you an overview of technology. In the technology, Nvidia is trending. Okay, so we can use the Nvidia and to create a short video. So how to do that? So for example, I'm going to the Nvidia, okay, and click on the script generator. If you want to research unknown facts about Nvidia, you can go ahead, and what you can do is you can easily see what this trend is all about. Okay, and you can create a trending script generation. Okay, how to do that? So let me go with this, what this is all about. So if you have a ChatGPT search, you can search for it. Okay, for example, if I click on the chatgpt.com and search why Nvidia is trending right now. So for example, okay, search is right now not available. Let me go to the Perplexity app. So you can also use this, and I have already a spaces available. So this is where Nvidia latest news, right? So if you click on search, I'm assuming you have a tech channel and you want to generate short videos for your channel, and here you want your users to stay updated about the latest tech trend, right? So this is everything. This tool should be your handy, or this should be in your left sidebar. It should be on your bookmark because it will actually boost your engagement. Now first is Nvidia here. Why Nvidia is trending? So it will say Nvidia shares a record high. So let me see. So multi-frame generation enhancement. So this is not related to the shares in the news. Click any article from the news, okay, and click on accept all. Okay, anyways, there will be more unveils this. Okay, so Nvidia has unveiled this. So let's just search for it and click on generation. Okay, and now it started generating it. So either you do this and create a script from this news channel. Okay, so this is all about, as you can see, you can generate a script from it. How to generate that script? There is a prompter which you can buy from us, which has everything related to from script generation to LinkedIn marketing to SEO writing, and you can find 10,000 plus prompts here. And what it does is there is a trending AI viral trend video script generator. I can just copy this gigantic prompt here, right? Click on enter, and it will start generating our script. Just there you go. Stop scrolling. So it has a hook enabled in it. It has a full body of text enabled in it. You can just copy first the hook. So what I'm going to do is, we don't need to generate a script from here. Just go here and let me. That's it. So this will be our script, which is we have written. If you want to optimize more as per them, you can simply click on rewrite. So it will start rewriting it. Okay, rewrite. If you want to make it more engaging, you can simply select more engaging and it will start rewriting it. I don't know why it's not working right now, but it does work. Anyways, we will use this script as our option. So this is everything about this. And next is choose media type. So you can choose AI moving images. You can also choose stock videos. You can also use your own media. So if you click on the own media, you can import all the media and you can generate it. But I will suggest you to go with the moving AI images. And for this is about the tech. And next is add to the queue. You can auto add the queue if you don't want to generate now, but if you have multiple topics available for you and you want to generate in bulk, you can go ahead and add to the queue, and such that it can add to the queue. Like for the tomorrow, schedule that for a full content calendar. You can add the queue, log into this account and download. That can be your option, but we are not going to do that. So this is this, and this is a generation preset. This is actually a mind-blowing part of this piece of software, because when I signed up first, it has only 5 or 6. Now it has around 10 plus reset buttons. So we are going to have a educational type of content. We are going to use the educational here. Okay, so this is the ultra. Okay, so your image generation model, obviously this is ultra, and specify a general style. So general style you want to specify, for example, you want it in a dark mood or you want it in the light mood, you can go ahead and edit that also. So this is select voices. So Brian works best for all the narrations part, and you can also go ahead and try this out. I love this, so I keep it like this. For example, this.
The thing always happens that you really...
Yeah, so this actually works better. And this is a choice of music. So music is generated from the audio library, which is available for free. So this video, the short, is all about latest news about the Nvidia. So we are going to see if there is... Yeah, this looks great because I just want my voice to flow, and with the music I think this will be the best. You can go ahead and add more sound. You can add your own sound as well, so using sonar.com and more. So there's a more option. I suggest you to hit that more because it has more options to customize it. For example, choose your screen ratio. Obviously we are going to do that with the help of 9:16, which is a real short TikTok video aspect ratio. And there is how many medias you want to generate. I wanted more because if you add more images, it will have more transition and it will retain more users. So go ahead and add that here. So if you want to add a random stickers around when you create a video, it will start creating a stickers around your video. So you can also do that. For example, whenever you choose from your video, it will start doing it as an output example, as you can see here. For example, if I choose, there will be a add sticker, so it will also show you where the sticker will come. It will come here down, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And now worrying about the captions, I don't like this one. I like this one. This worked really great. And where you want that caption to be visible in the middle, and the word stability, you want the stable expressive. I want it expressive. Expressive works best with the audience and it relate to the audience. So go ahead. And there is a automatic languages. Automatic, obviously it's in English, written in English. And there is a enable sensitive filter. If you don't want not safe for work voices or content in your filter, you can content in your shorts, you can enable that. So it can be very useful as well. So now estimated cost will be 228 credits. So this thing you need to keep in mind. Okay, so as you select more advanced functionality, you have to go ahead. Your videos will get more credit. Why it has written 228 credits? Because of the ultra model eats more and more credits. But if I want to choose less of it, for example the medium, for example how many media to generate, if I click on the medium and it will estimate the less credits. If I look at the few, so it will send you less credits. That's how it works. So I suggest you to go with this. Now if I choose, for example, this, which is not even a pro model, and it will consume way less credits as well. So go ahead and try this out. Let me try the educational version out. Go to here and click on generate. So let's just wait for it and it will start generating it. So this is the first part where you generate script based on the what's trending right now. And now in the next, we are going to create theme based videos. For example, if you are setting up a new channel, then this will work way better, because if you are working on a channel, like right now I'm working on a channel on ghost stories in regional language, so I will be doing that frequently, and in the end of the month when this particular software subscription will expire, I will post the result if it is actually working or not, because it's all about the cost and the profit, right? So let's see if it actually made an impact or not. So it says the building it for 49 seconds. Let's wait for a few seconds, building it for 45, and it's just working. And one more thing, this tool is blazing fast. The generation is so fast that you can imagine. So let's just wait for the output. Okay, so we have got our first video. Let's find out how is it. So now when you click on the finalize video, it will open a video editor just like this. So if you have work around the Pictory, or if you have work around the Premiere, and if you know a bit about the video editors, then you may know about this. So here do you go. So if you click on
Stop scrolling. Did you hear about the monster NVIDIA just unleashed? The RTX 5000.
As you can see here, this is what I love about this particular model, because if you are talking about some technological thing, then it will display everything about the piece of software you're talking about. For example, this is the RTX. So RTX is all about the graphic card, and here you can easily see how it actually converted that into an infographics. And let's go.
RTX 5090 just made your gaming PC look like a calculator. Want to know why gamers are losing their minds? Watch till the end. The future of gaming has arrived, and it's absolutely insane. NVIDIA just dropped their new RTX 50 series, and the numbers are mind-blowing. Imagine running your favorite games and
Now, for example, if you want to add some picture, you want to add some part of the timeline and replace with some picture or real picture, you can go ahead. And how to do that? For example, the news is all about this. Now it has a video. You can download the video and cut that out however you want. And for example, this is the video. Okay. So So this video, you can actually download this particular video and add it to your timeline. You can easily go to the frame by frame, and if you want to change something, you can go ahead and do that. Click on, if you want to add some frame after a certain point of time, you can also do that. So frame by frame editing is also there. So there is a slide. So if some slides you want to add, or some slide you want to, describe it, or some slide you want to edit, you can go ahead and edit that as well. There's a text part. If you want to add some text just where you are, you can also do that. There's a media, which if you want to, the thing I was talking about, to add a video or the images to your video, you can go ahead and click on the captions and click on the settings. You can easily go ahead and add that as well. So this is the power of this software, and you can simply click on export. And for the free users, you will be able to download in 720 resolution and compression with below. But if you want to go with the higher frame rate, you have to sign up for the paid account. So this is the first generation which I have talked about, how to get viral in seconds using this particular technique. But if you want to go with something like theme based, for example, ghost stories or some instruction based stories or lifestyle based stories or something like that, you can also create that. For example, if you click on the create video, but before creating the video, what you can do is click on stories here. So while you click on the stories, you can always go to what actually works. So very relatable content are fun fact, educational, and how-tos. And even for the how-tos, you can use the educational model which we have used, and you can also create a horror, life hack. There's the fantasy, business, and philosophy. So you can also go ahead and list that up. But we will go to the listicles. For this example, we will go with the fun facts. Okay, so for this particular story, we will go with the custom stories. For example, if you want to create any fictional stories with the AI, we are going to do that with this. Here, tell us a bit more. So let's see. So this is the made up story which I want to create. I click on the generate stories. So it will generate 3 or 4 version, I think, 4 version of the story. You can, okay, so this is only for the 30 seconds. I don't want to 30 seconds. Wait. I want it for 60 seconds at least. So let's click on the duration, 60 seconds. And you can generate up to 120 seconds of script. And there you go. Okay. Stealing Mom's magnificent class was my step operation for Fluffy. My hamster escaped at midnight. And so this is from a kid's point of view, and it's just creating. So this is also this. So let me add a third point of view. I don't want a point of view from a kid's perspective. So let's click on generate stories again. Yeah, now this actually looks great, and Geeko Leo disappear from the morning. That's great. So what I'm going to do is go through all the 3 variations which you like and click on the create video. It will redirect you to the create video section. For example, this video is written here. Okay, and now for the customization part, obviously I want a moving AI images, and there is a presets. And for this presets, I want to be anime realism. Okay, you can go ahead with the retro cartoon as well, old style cartoon. That will also work really good. You can go ahead with the Lego one is actually very viral worthy, but I suggest you to go with, let's go with this. And there's a 3D render, there's a flat animations, and there's a Pixar animation. I like the Pixar. Let's move on with the Pixar. So let's create the Pixar. For example, if you're creating this for the kids, this will work. So Pixar will be great, and this will be pro version. Okay, so pick your image generation model. So pro will be this, ultra will be this. So you can pick however you want, but I will go with the ultra. Make sure this will eat 16 credits per image. So you need to think about it. So pro will eat 14. So it is a 4 times. So if we go to the base one, it will create 1 credit per image. So I will suggest you to go with the pro. That works great. And this voice is good. Brand is good. You can also record your own voice as well. And the futuristic bit, I don't want the futuristic bit for this. Let's change the music. Okay, this is the cartoon one. Yeah, this one great because this is for the kids channel. So let's move on with this, and there's the more options. And for the more options, I specify how many media student I want more, and you can also add stickers. And for the captions part, I like this. You can change however you want. And in the middle, in the expressive, I want it in the bottom model. No, in the middle is fine. Voice should be expressive, yes. So if you are generating for the Chinese, you can go ahead and optimize for Chinese. Enable sensitive filter. If you are creating a violent stuff using this, you can also create that. So let's revise this. Everything is working great. So now click on generate. Now let's just wait for our content. Okay, so our shot is ready. Let's go ahead and click on this. It will open the editor as we have already done. Okay, let's play.
Little Tommy became the neighborhood's youngest detective when his gecko Leo disappeared on Tuesday morning. Armed with his dinosaur flashlight and wearing his dad's oversized detective hat.
So you see the consistency between the characters. It doesn't lose it, as you can see here in the first frame and the second frame as well.
Detective hat. He dusted every windowsill for tiny lizard tracks. Room by room,
as you can see, and until the last. So there you go, it has found a pet. So this is about it. You can change the caption settings as well. If you want to change the color, you can also go ahead with your own brand color. And there is the audio settings if you want to change the audio as well. There's the settings that direction of the text, if you want it to the right to the left, you can also do that here. So if you want to add a sound effect, for example, here this is the background music, there's a voiceover, and whatever you have generated, you can also do that with the here. You can easily level up your background music's volume from this to higher. So this is about the first video about the Riven. We are going to explore so much. So this is about the static moving images, but we are going to create a whole Pixar movie videos using AI. So subscribe to the channel for that tutorial as well. So see you in the next video, and then bye bye.